Wednesday. Today we are going to show you how to remove emblems from your car. You're going to need masking tape, adhesive remover, a microfiber towel, fishing line, and some type of small tool or chiseler. The tool with the handles is not necessary. That is just something we use here at our shop. You are going to use the masking tape to mask off the area so you do not damage the vehicle. The tape helps protect the vehicle when you are working the fishing line behind the emblem. You want to be sure to mask it off all the way around the emblem. Go over with a heat gun or blow dryer. What is the heat for?
It just helps loosen up the adhesive. You don't necessarily have to do it, but it will help on the next step. And the tape is just so you don't have scratches all over the bottom. Keep your scratches to a minimum if you do leave any scratches.
Unless you're professional like you.
Yeah.
Slide the fishing wire behind the emblem and carefully work it back and forth to remove the emblem from the car. Be careful when you get to the end that the emblem does not just fall. As you can see, once the emblem is removed, it leaves some adhesive. Use your chiseler or tool to remove the thickest part of the adhesive from the vehicle. Now spray your adhesive remover and let it sit for just a minute. And be sure you're doing this in a ventilated area. If you do not have adhesive remover, you can use an alcohol water solution as well. It just may take a little longer.
Because right now it's a little bit hard to take off. Like you'll take off maybe this top layer of it, and not much will come off. You just let it sit for a little bit. It'll help it come off.
After you let the adhesive sit for a minute, use your tool to remove the rest of the adhesive. Keep spraying it and wiping it down. You're going to have to put a little elbow grease into it. Once you're almost done, remove your masking tape. and give it a final wipe down.
Like,
It's like magic.
yeah.
Just disappeared. Nice.
Of course, there's a small outline of it, but
You're gonna put it back on anyways?
Yeah.
Put straps over and put it back on?
yeah, strap over so you won't see the outside edges and you won't see the inside of it either. Because that's where the bolts will be at again.
Once you're all done, you want to be sure to rinse off the adhesive remover with an alcohol water solution or just plain water. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.